In our country, engineering is a tradition. Even before a child is born, parents decide their future.
मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बने।
Engineer. Whether or not you find anything else in an Indian home, you will definitely find an engineer. With over 6,000 plus engineering colleges in India, nearly 1.5 million engineers graduate every year. Yet 90% struggle to find jobs. Why? Because most colleges focus on theory over practical learning, offering just a handful of placement drives and then blaming students for not being capable enough. And if you don't want to face these problems, then watch this video till end, where I'll tell you about top 10 engineering colleges in Delhi that will get you real opportunities. First college in our list is Jamia Millia Islamia, JMI. Spread across 239 acres, JMI is a solid choice for BTech. It ranks 24th in NIRF and has a tuition fees of around 64,000. The average salary package is between 7 to 11 LPA and admissions are through JEE Mains. To be eligible, you need 55% in PCM in class 12 or a 3 to 4 year diploma with 55% aggregate. Now, before moving ahead, I want to talk about an institute that in few years could compete with IITs and NITs on every level. I'm talking about IntelliPat School of Technology. IST offers cutting-edge AI and computer science training with classes from industry experts at Google, Meta, Microsoft and Apple, along with IIT faculties. Students get a 1.5 years of paid internship from the third year, a minor from IIT and opportunities to attend Global Tech Conclave. Admission requires 60% in math in class 10th and 12th, followed by the INET entrance exam, which tests aptitude and logical reasoning. After clearing it, candidates go through a personal interview, and if their ambition aligned with IST vision, they get selected. Unlike traditional colleges with basic project, IST focuses on real-world problem solving and helps students build startup-ready products. With degrees awarded through top partner universities, no other institution is reimagining engineering education like this. IST doesn't just prepare you for a job, it trains you to create, innovate, and compete globally. Check out IST now. I will drop the website link in the description. Now, moving ahead with second college in our list, Delhi Technological University. DTU, which is ranked 27th in NIRF, is one of the top engineering colleges in Delhi. It offers 18 BE BTech courses with fees ranging from 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs. Admission is based on JEE Main followed by Joint Admission Counseling JAC. You also need at least 60% marks in class 12th. In 2024, the highest package touched 85 LPA while the average package stood at 15 LPA. Looking at the branch-wise cutoff, the closing rank for CSE was 6,000 followed by ITX 6,800. Now moving ahead with our next college, which is Netaji Subhash University of Technology, NSUT. Ranked 57th in NIRF 2024, NSUT offers 24 BTech courses with fees going up to 4 lakh. Admission is through JEE Main followed by JAC Delhi Counseling, where you select NSUT as your preference. In 2024, NSUT's highest package touched 1 crore per annum, while the average package stood at 18 LPA. Moving ahead with our next college, Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology. IIIT Delhi, ranked 85 in NIRF 2024, offers 8 BTech program with total fees going up to 20 lakh. Admissions are through JEE Main followed by JAC Delhi Counseling. For CSE in 2024, the closing rank was around 7,000. IIIT Delhi has an outstanding placement record with highest domestic package reaching 49 LPA and average package of 21 LPA. Then we have Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. With the NIRF 2024 ranking of 89, IPU offers a massive of 177 BTech courses with fees ranging from 2 to 10 lakh. Admissions are based on JEE Main or IPU CET. If you qualify JEE Main, you can go through JAC Delhi Counseling, while IPU CET qualifies follow the university admission process. You need a minimum of 50% aggregate marks in class 12th. In 2024, the closing rank for general all category in CSE was around 31,000. Placements were impressive with the highest package as 41 LPA and average package of 7 LPA. Then we have Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. MAIT offers 15 BE BTech courses with total fees going up to 5.5 lakh. To get admission, students need to qualify for JEE Main or CUET UG entrance exam. Talking about cutoffs, in 2024, the closing rank for BTech CSE was around 37,000. The salary package have been quite impressive, ranging from 15 LPA to 20 LPA, with highest package reaching 52 LPA. Then we have Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. This college offers 14 BE BTech course with total fees ranging between 3 lakh to 4 lakh. To be eligible, candidate need at least 55% marks in 10 plus 2. Admissions are based on JEE Main and IPU CET. In term of placement, the median salary is around 6 LPA. Next, we have University School of Information Communication and Technology. USICT offers BTech plus MTech dual degree program. Student must appear for JEE Main or IPU CET. Admission process happens online via college's official website. Eligibility require a minimum of 55% marks in 10 plus 2 with PCM. It secured 89th place in NIRF 2024 ranking. In placements, the highest package recorded was 41 LPA, while the average package stood at 7.2 LPA. Then the ninth college we have is JP Institute of Information Technology. Established in 2001, is well known for its placement. Admission is based on JEE Main, Class 12th Merit or JIIT UG. And you need at least 60% in 10 plus 2. The tuition fees ranges from 10 to 18 lakh. It ranks 101 to 115 NIRF and offers 15 BTech courses. The median salary is around 8 LPA. Moving ahead with our last college, which is Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Admission here happens through JEE Main or MRNAT with minimum requirement of 50% in 10 plus 2. The tuition fees falls between 4 to 12 lakh, making it relatively affordable option. Average placement package is 3 to 4 LPA. So that is all from my side. Do not forget to check about IST. The link is given in the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.